Oh my gosh!
Do you have a key?
Oh no, I'll bring my wallet.
Where is my cellular?
I wasn't recording. Now I am. Is it on the table? Is it under the bed? Is it in the whoopee cushion? Oh, damn.
Becca!
I'm looking. Is it somewhere?
I hope so.
Is it in your purse? Because you opened your purse to get your inhaler out, right? Oh, it's under your purse.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you are so ridiculous.
I know.
Ew. Oh my god. You should just leave it somewhere. Just leave it somewhere. Leave it on the stand. I am gonna die.
Here, ow, ew! Ew.
Where is it? All the way at the bottom?
No, it's right there. Floor
It's a giant piece of gum. Hi, whoopee cushion. We had fun. We love you. You look like Jala.
Who?
God.